Good morning. Welcome to your 10-minute yoga flow. So begin at the top of your mat. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up. And exhale, bend the elbows. Bring the elbows in towards the belly, bend the knees. Inhale, open the arms out, twist open to the right. Exhale, elbows in towards the belly, bend deep. Inhale, twist open towards the left. And exhale, bend the knees, curl the spine. Inhale, revolving open towards the right, and exhale, elbows in towards the belly, sit back deep. Inhale, revolve open towards the left, and then get back, sit down, squat. Inhale, twisting open. Exhale, waking up the legs, sitting down deep, twisting open towards the left, and then pulling the elbows into the spine. Inhale, straighten the arms straight up, and exhale, release the hands. Walk your hands out wider than your hips and begin to twist, allowing the arms to sway from left to right, bending the knees deeply. And when you're ready, you can begin to lovingly tap the forearms on the low belly and the low back. Feel how good that is to wake up the spine here first thing in the morning. When you're ready, tap onto the back shoulder. And begin to open it up, twisting open towards the left and to the right, coming up onto the opposite toe. Coming up onto the right toes and then onto the left. As you twisting open at a diagonal. And slowly allow the arms to release down and come to stillness. Step your feet together, hands to the heart. Come up on your right toes. Extend the arms out and open them up, twist open towards the right. You can stay here or lift your knee up. Bring your left hand to the outside of the right knee. And your exhale, lower the toes. Inhale, extend the arm up. And exhale, lower the toes. Inhale, twisting open. And exhale, release. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, release. Inhale, bring the left hand to the outside of the right knee. Twisting open through the right fingertips. Stay here, grab the outside edge of the foot with the left hand, or perhaps extend the leg. Wherever you are is beautiful. Comparison is the thief of joy. So wherever you are in the pose, you're getting the benefits of the twist. Wherever you are, release, relax, roll out the shoulders, inhale, lift up on the tippy toes, exhale, hands to heart, heels to the mat. Inhale with great control, lift up on the toes, and exhale, heels as slowly as you can down to the floor. One more time, inhale, rise up, and exhale, lower with grace and ease. Come up on your left toes, and then sweep your arms up and extend them out, twisting open towards the left. Inhale, lift the knee up, lift the left arm up, exhale to lower. Inhale, lift the left arm up and the knee up, exhale to lower. So you're bringing your right hand to the outside of the left knee, and then releasing the toes down towards the floor. Inhale, lift up, exhale, release down. Inhale, bring the right hand to the outside of the left knee and hold here, twisting open to the left, or grab the outside of the foot, extending the leg a little or a lot. This is also a function of how long your arms are. So this pose is only accessible if your arms are long enough. Wherever you are, breathe deeply and release and relax out of the pose. Inhale, sweeping the palms out and up. Exhale, tracing the midline all the way down to the floor, fold forward over the legs. Inhale, fingertips to the thighs, roll the shoulders back. Exhale to fold. 2 more times. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen the spine, neck long, gaze at the floor. Exhale to fold. Step back with your left foot. Come forward on the left toes. Straighten your back leg more than it's ever been. And inhale, tuck the chin. Exhale, extend out. Inhale, coil inward. Exhale, radiate the energy outward. Inhale, pull power into your core. Exhale, extend your vision. Inhale, engage the legs. Exhale, gaze forward. Inhale, pull the inner thighs toward midline, and exhale, release your left knee down to the mat. Make sure your right knee isn't past your right heel. And then when you're ready, extend your left arm long in front of you. Bring the left elbow to the outside of the right knee. Hands pressed together. Twist and revolve your heart up into the right. Revolve your gaze up into the right. On your next exhalation, release out of the twist and straighten the front leg. Flex your toes towards you. On your inhalation, cock the chin round the spine and exhale, flat back, heart folds towards the leg. The inhale, tuck the chin round the spine and exhale, flatten, fold. A few more times. Reground into the front foot, bend into the front knee. Allow the hips to soften and inhale, engage the low belly. Lift up. Exhale, step the back leg in to meet the front, grab the elbows, hang forward. Bring your weight more into the balls of the feet and allow the body to relax and release. Begin to allow the elbows to sway from left to right. And then bring the right elbow towards the left corner and the left elbow towards the right. Step back with the right foot, come forward on the right toes, straighten your leg. On your inhalation, tuck the chin, round the spine, lift the hips, and exhale, radiate outwards. Your back leg stays completely straight the entire time. On your inhalation, hug the inner thighs towards midline. Exhale, extend out. Inhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Exhale, gaze forward, lower your knees softly down to the mat, and allow the hips to soften and open. Inhale, extend your right arm out long. Bring your elbow to the outside of the left knee, revolving your heart and gaze up into the left. Take the opportunity here to relax, release, and let go of anything that no longer serves you. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up. And exhale, bring your fingertips down to the earth, straightening your front leg. Flex your toes towards you. On your inhalation, tuck the chin, round the spine, press your shoulder blades up towards the ceiling, and exhale, fold over the leg. A few more times, your rhythm and breath. Then reground into the front foot, rebend into the front knee, and bring the left knee back to meet the right, sitting down, twisting open towards the right, left hand to the outside of the knee, and then switch, twisting open towards the left. Now cross your legs, twisting open towards the left, and twisting open towards the right. Bring your feet together. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, fold, Baddha Konasana, opening the hips. Inhale, rise back up. And exhale, cross the legs, come forward, curl the toes under, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Downward facing dog. Inhale forward to plank, look forward. Exhale, pull the hips up and back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Few more times here. On your exhalations, you press back, and on your inhalation, you roll forward like a wave, gaze forward. Rolling like a wave, shoulders above wrists. Exhale, using the belly to press back. Inhale forward. Exhale, press back. Bend the knees. Seat to heels, Balasana. Setting an intention for your day, who you want to be, who you want to show up as, allowing yourself to be vulnerable and the real you to shine out. Remembering you're perfect just as you are and so very lovable. Wishing you a beautiful day. Namaste.